Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the deep conditioning hair mask that I always use for my frizzy, dry, dehydrated hair. This hair conditioning mask only needs 2 ingredients. However, I will show you what else you can add according to your scalp and hair needs. I will keep my hair mask very simple to show you that you can mix any ingredients according to your needs. The first ingredient I'm going to add is aloe vera. I'm using pure aloe vera from the leaf. You can use store-bought aloe veras, but make sure they are organic and free from preservatives. Aloe vera has many essential fatty acids along with vitamin A, B, C, and E. It also contains iron, zinc, enzymes, and glycoprotein, which stimulates the hair growth. It reduces the excess sebum, oil, toxin, dust, dead cells, and other impurities on the hair and scalp. It also moisturizes your hair and reduces dry, dull, and flaky scalp. Aloe vera has antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties that remove microbes causing dandruff, relieves itchiness, and soothes your hair. The next ingredient I'm going to use is coconut milk, or you can use coconut cream. I'm using coconut cream because it's easier to apply because it's thicker. Coconut cream helps restore dry, damaged hair, promotes hair growth, and condition your hair from inside out. You can apply this mixture on its own, mix it well, or blend it together because aloe vera gel can be a little lumpy. If you're using store-bought, then you don't need blender. I'm going to apply this mixture on my hair from root to ends. I'm going to give you a few options of what you can add according to your hair needs. You can add rosemary essential oils, just a few drops to promote healthy hair growth. Another one is peppermint essential oil. You can use it for dandruff. I sometimes add castor oil or almond oil to give more moisture to my hair. Once you have fully applied this hair mask on your hair, you can cover it with shower cap and leave it on for at least 1 hour and wash it off with your normal hair shampoo and conditioner. Here is the tip, guys. If you want to improve your hair health, then you must ditch the heat tools. I have not used flat iron or curler for past 2 years, and I use leave-in conditioner and serums and these DIY hair masks prior to my hair wash, and I've seen a lot of improvement and difference in my hair texture. I used to have hair like a nest after washing, but after these DIY hair masks and some serums and some DIY conditioner that I share on my channel, I have seen incredible improvement of my hair. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.